Alright, thanks for hanging out with us again. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We like being outdoors no matter what it is. So we're going to take a little bike ride down the Kal-Haven Trail today. And stick around, you might just learn something.
Thanks for watching. 3, 2, break off the door.
Alright, here we go. Down the Kal-Haven Trail. Stop at the light, guys. There's a stop sign. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Alright.
This trail is big.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty long.
Yeah, and can you tell me anything about it?
I sure can. Listen to this.
A well-known destination in southwest Michigan, and it attracts thousands of visitors each year. South Haven is also known as one of the trailheads for the Kal-Haven Trail. The Kal-Haven Trail is what is called a rail trail, meaning it's a converted railroad trail between South Haven and Kalamazoo, and is now a 34-mile-long bike trail. The nice thing about the Kal-Haven Trail is it's fairly flat, making it a great outdoor experience for bike riders of all ages and skill levels.
It's a improved surface, limestone surface. It's not paved, but it's compacted limestone. You can still ride street bikes on it because it packs on pretty hard. There are numerous bathrooms and water points along the trail. The trail is fairly level. It's up on the two ends, both in Kalamazoo and South Haven. There's grades going up to the trailhead in those two locations, but it's fairly level the most of the way.
The Kal-Haven Trail is beautiful with a diverse landscape. Much of it is wooded.
What it is it's mostly canopied, so in the summer, when it's hot out, it's usually a nice, cool ride in the shade most of the way. So it goes through farmlands and orchards and things like that, and through the countryside and through wooded areas. It has a number of bridges on it. It has a historic covered bridge that crosses the Black River by South Haven. And we do have 3 locations that you can do camping on along the trail.
Small towns along the Kal-Haven Trail are spaced evenly apart. The town of Bloomingdale is the midway point in which the Kal-Haven Trail runs directly through the business district. The downtown Augustus Haven Park with its Depot Museum is a popular picnic stop for trail users. But all along the trail you will find benches and picnic tables and some toilets. Also keep in mind that the Kal-Haven Trail crosses a few roads, so use caution when approaching a highway, and be sure to obey the signs. The Kal-Haven Trail is officially a Michigan State Park, maintained by the Van Buren County Road Commission. Like most state parks, there is ample parking at the main trailheads located at both South Haven and Kalamazoo. Whether you ride a short distance or the total journey, I strongly recommend that you ride the Kal-Haven Trail. It's an outstanding way to exercise and a perfect opportunity to experience Michigan's natural resources.
That was pretty cool. Yeah.
Alright, that was a fun little bike ride, huh guys?
Yeah. That little bigger.
Yeah, the Kal-Haven Trail is a beautiful part of Michigan, so if you ever get a chance to ride your bike on it, I would definitely recommend it.
You can also walk on it.
Yep, you can walk on it and everything. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. See you bike after the